Tool Rack TV pulled up to the National Hardware Show and discovered this mind-blowing kiosk that dispenses propane tanks. Brad Rice, Director of Business Development for Sleeger's Engineered Products, breaks it all down.
Hi, Tool Rack TV. It's Brad Rice from Sleeger's Engineered Products. I want to take a minute and show you our self-service propane kiosk.
So we're going to start. You can see the machine is designed to meet ADA requirements of the American Disability Act.
Fully compliant with the American Disability Act, it's ready to serve everyone.
Welcome. Would you like to purchase a tank or exchange a tank?
Do a purchase or an exchange. We're going to say we're going to do an exchange.
Are you able to reach the top door?
The machine is intuitive enough if you can't reach the top door that it's going to vend from the lower two doors here. I'm going to say yes, like you reach.
Please review your order summary and press continue to process your transaction.
Time to pay up. But don't worry, this kiosk isn't picky. Credit, debit, or even a promo code. Take your pick.
Please follow these steps. Please tightly close the valve on the top.
Safety first. The machine reminds Brad to close that valve tight. He obliges, and presto, a door pops open.
The bay is open, so the first thing we do is we put our exchange tank in.
Folks, this isn't just a propane exchange, it's a propane revolution. But wait, there's more. Another door swings wide, revealing a fresh, full tank.
And there's our full tank.
This bay should be empty before you close the door.
And that whole process took us less than a minute.
No lines, no fuss, just fuel when you need it.